Running out of storage on your phone is a huge pain, but before you buy a new device, there are a few simple things you can do to quickly free up a lot of space. I'll show you how on both iPhone and Android. First, let's look at your iPhone. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Your phone will show you a breakdown of what's taking up space. You'll also see some recommendations from Apple. Tap Offload Unused Apps to automatically free up space while keeping the app's data. You can also manually offload apps from this list. Tap Enable next to Optimize Photos. This stores full resolution photos in iCloud and keeps smaller, optimized versions on your phone. Now for Android, which is a powerful built-in tool, go to Settings, Storage. This will show you a breakdown of your usage similar to iPhone. Tap Free Up Space. This will open the Files by Google Apps Clean tab, which is often pre-installed. Use this tool to easily delete junk files, old screenshots, large downloads, and unused apps. Clearing an app's cache is another quick way to free up space on both operating systems. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, find an app like Instagram, then Storage and Cache, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, you cannot clear the cache for a specific app, but you can offload it from iPhone storage to get a similar effect. If all else fails, a manual deletion is the way to go. Delete old photos, videos, and large apps you no longer use.